Finally got my truck out of the shop at the Freightliner. I had to have my parking brake valve replaced. It was a little over $1,000. I normally don't fool with the dealers, but that particular time I was pressed for time. I had just got a load and I wanted to get it done. So I'm at a truck stop now over in Louisiana doing some power only. I basically pull dry vans and flatbed, power only, with whomever, TQL, JB Hunt, Schneider, Amazon, Trident, and I just did a few loads out into Texas and I'm heading back. I got a load I'm picking up for Amazon, taking me back to get my trailer. When you become a owner operator with your own authority, regardless of you doing power only, you really need to have your own trailer. So when things ain't going right with them, you can hook up to your own trailer and go out and make your income. I just want to talk about how you guys doing out here in the trucking world. Are you doing okay? Are you doing fantastic? Are you doing poorly? Are you drowning? Are you in major debt? Your truck at the shop, you can't get it out. You done maxed out your credit cards. You gotta have some credit when you're dealing with this industry here, along with dry powder, cash. You got to have credit, because you don't always want to use your cash to get things done. So my thing is, I'm an owner operator with my own authority, and I pretty much like running the spot market. I'm not trying to acquire contracts. I'm not trying to be tied down with contracts and subjected. I like running the spot market, so when I want to go home and be with my family, there's no pressure. I ain't got to worry about losing this contract or losing that contract. I really didn't want to have multiple trucks, because one truck is hard to maintain, let alone multiple trucks. And then my truck is an older truck, so it's a stick shift. A lot of these new drivers, they don't even know how to drive a stick shift. So, if I decide to hire a driver, they must know how to drive a 10-speed truck, And I like my old school trucks versus the newer trucks. The newer trucks, they look nice, they all right. But boy, you better have your money right when things go wrong with them trucks. Like my old truck, I very seldom have issues with this truck. And right now I'm at $1.3 million, almost $1.4 million. And I'm just starting to lose a little oil. Meaning I can push this truck for another 150,000 miles easy. Just wanted to get on and get familiar with YouTube, and because this is my second video. As long as I've been out on the road, I just watch a lot of videos. I don't really make videos myself, but I decided to do one today. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to hear more. Thank you.